Hey guys, hope you're having a blessed day. I'm going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to be talking about getting white fingernail polish out of a leather sofa. Last night, my teenager was trying to do her own French, French fingernail? French tips, I'm sorry, for her nails. And she got a bit on the couch. So, first thing I'm going to do is use some rubbing alcohol on the stain. I'm going to soak it up with this paper towel. I'm going to use a little more. So you can see the stain a little better. Next, I'm going to mix white vinegar and olive oil together. So it's a 1-to-2 ratio. So I have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm just going to mix it together. Okay, so now I am going to dip some onto the stain. And then I'm going to use like a little scrubber, which is, I have like a toothbrush, and I'm going to scrub away. Looks like it's trying to flake up. Have to give it a little scrub because this is dried white fingernail polish. So this happened after I went to bed. So if it's wet, it'll come up a little easier, of course. So this is based on dried white fingernail polish. And guys, this is definitely coming up. Let me put the camera on just a little bit. Okay. As you can see, it's come up. And so, because this is leather, you definitely want to give it some TLC by using some type of leather cleaner. I couldn't think of it off the top of my head. So I don't have any, I'll be honest, I don't have any on me right now. So I have to go pick up some. But the point is getting white fingernail polish out of your leather sofa. So just wanted to do a quick DIY that I actually found on the internet, and I thought I'd give it a try and share it with you guys. So it does work, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll give you one last look. It is all gone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up.